Hi, Glenn Brewster here at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Just wanted to start today by showing you our brand new product, the Gladiator. We've got a bunch of brand new features we want to go through with you right now. I want to start with at the front of the machine, we're using a pro level hitch, well proven in the industry with our cutters. It's a very flexible, floatable design. From there we go to a pump system. It's a PTO pump system, 540 or 1000. We're able to attach that to your tractor. It supplies a military grade oil cooler, and this oil cooler has been used in Iraq to cool oil on various different machines. It will keep your oil cool all the way through the system out to our motors that drive each of the reels. Part of driving these reels is utilizing a system with flow control valves so that we're able to control the flow if you want to each wing, or we even have the option of winging up one wing and just using one wing if you need to in various conditions. We've got a solenoid bank system here, a control panel in the cab that has switches that enables you to wing the machine up, to change the angle in or out, because we are at 19 feet here right now, and we were able to wing it in to 16 feet. That's what we want to do if you have real heavy rock. You want to be able to pull those wings in and control the flow of that rock, and or also pick the finer rock. The narrower the wing comes in, the finer the rock goes into the bucket. We're utilizing the proven Schulte rock windrower spiral system that we've used for many years on our 1400 model, our 1000 model, and our 800 model. It's a robust system with AR 450 hardened and hard surface teeth. On each of the wings, they float independently, utilizing a system with snap collars on here that allow the machine, once you set it, to float up and down according to your terrain. On the wing, we're using all the way out here to the hydraulic motor. It has got a relief valve pressure system on it where if for any reason this gets jammed with rocks or dirt or it hits high ground, this relief will bypass and wait till you lift or clear the obstruction. Inside driving the mechanism of the reel is a chain-driven system with a tensioner. Well proven. We've utilized this for years and years. On the back, to keep the flotation going, we've got a nice big skid steer tire. Floats, keeps the wing out there in wet conditions or dry conditions. And on the reel batts themselves, we actually have hard surface teeth. This reel batt system's been utilized for quite a while. A proven Schulte once again. On the motor, we've got a very robust big hydraulic motor that we've used on 5000 Titan. It's a big heavy duty motor, hydraulically driven. It also has a zero pressure return on it, preventing any damage to this motor. From there we get to the flotation of the tires. We've got four 16.5 flotation tires that allow us to carry a 3.5 cubic yard bucket. We have a graded floor on the bucket, and we also have graded on the back. That allows you, as you get more and more rock, if there's dirt or debris in there, it cleans as you dump. A lot of rock, dirt will fall through. So with that, more information, contact www.schulte.ca. There'll be product videos and a lot more information on there whenever you need it.